One of the key aspects that sets Cabinet Vision apart is its adaptability to diverse regions and cultures. With availability in 14 different languages, we ensure that woodworkers worldwide can harness the power of this incredible tool. Accessibility and usability are at the forefront of our mission, empowering craftsmen from all corners of the globe. Our success can be attributed to the trust and confidence woodworkers have placed in Cabinet Vision. In countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, we have emerged as the unrivaled leader in woodworking software. Moreover, our impact extends to the vibrant woodworking markets in Southeast Asia, including Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, and more. This widespread acceptance reflects the effectiveness and reliability of our product. To strengthen our global presence, we have formed strategic partnerships with value-added resellers, including our esteemed partner, Smart Connected Solutions Southeast Asia. These partnerships allow us to extend our reach, ensuring that more woodworkers can benefit from the power of Cabinet Vision. Together with Smart Connected Solutions Southeast Asia and other partners, we continue to make significant strides in countries across Southeast Asia. The resounding success of Cabinet Vision is evident in our extensive user base, with over 50,000 satisfied customers spanning more than 30 countries. Woodworkers worldwide have embraced our software as their go-to solution for design, manufacturing, and optimization. This remarkable user base is a testament to the effectiveness, reliability, and versatility of Cabinet Vision. As the global leader in woodworking software, we are proud of our achievements, but we never rest on our laurels. Our commitment to continuous improvement and innovation drives us forward. We are dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in woodworking, revolutionizing the industry with our cutting-edge solutions. Capturing accurate field conditions and seamlessly integrating them into the design process is of utmost importance. With Cabinet Vision's direct links to Leica S910 and 3D DISTO products, developed by Hexagon Geosystems, we offer an unparalleled solution for creating 3D point clouds with unmatched accuracy directly within Cabinet Vision. The close collaboration between Cabinet Vision and Leica, both being part of the Hexagon family, has allowed us to establish a seamless and direct link between our products. This integration enables users to take room measurements using a Leica DISTO laser measurement device while simultaneously creating room layouts and dimensions within Cabinet Vision. Cabinet Vision's Leica utility is a user-friendly component that guides you through each point measurement in the room. With the Leica S910, simply point the laser at the desired location and click on the button in Cabinet Vision to capture the measurement. For the more advanced robotic 3D DISTO, you can control the device using the Leica utility, seeing on the screen where the laser is pointed and moving the device by dragging the mouse. The utility takes you step by step through each measurement, while Cabinet Vision automatically draws the walls, places doors, windows, light switches, electrical outlets, and plumbing markers. Additionally, you have the option to take pictures of the field conditions using the device, with a link to the image placed at the corresponding measurement location. Once the room measurements are complete, you can proceed with placing cabinets in the room. If it is not feasible to take your laptop to the job site, you can import the 3D DXF point cloud directly from your Leica device into a Cabinet Vision room, allowing you to verify field dimensions accurately. By eliminating manual data entry, this seamless link between Cabinet Vision and Leica saves valuable time, eliminates errors, and ensures that measurements are correct the first time, every time. The integration of these technologies streamlines the design process, improves accuracy, and enhances overall efficiency. With Cabinet Vision and Leica working together, woodworkers can confidently capture field conditions and seamlessly incorporate them into their designs, leading to precise and successful outcomes. Indeed, Cabinet Vision offers the flexibility to create custom-tailored licenses based on the specific tasks performed by each individual employee in your business. This allows you to optimize the software usage and cost-effectively provide the necessary functionalities to each role. Here are a few examples. 1. Designer. The Cabinet Vision design product would be suitable for a designer who focuses primarily on creating designs and doesn't require manufacturing data or advanced engineering tools. 2. Estimator. An estimator in your business may benefit from the core cabinets product, which includes the basics, along with the bidding multiplier. This combination provides the necessary tools for accurate project estimation and bid reporting. 3. Engineer. For an engineer who requires more advanced capabilities, a license with core cabinets, 2D CAD, shaping, and reporting multipliers would be appropriate. This combination offers expanded CAD tools, advanced engineering functionalities, and comprehensive reporting features. 4. CNC programmer. A CNC programmer typically needs to focus on machining aspects. Therefore, a license comprising core cabinets, the machine multiplier, and a router addition would be suitable. This combination provides the necessary tools for CNC programming, including machine integration and specific functionalities for routing operations. By tailoring the licenses to the specific needs of each employee, you can ensure that they have access to the relevant tools and functionalities required to perform their tasks efficiently. This flexibility allows you to optimize productivity and cost effectiveness within your business. Thank you for your time and attention during this presentation on Cabinet Vision. We hope that you found the information valuable and gained a better understanding of how our software can revolutionize your woodworking business. If you have any further questions or would like more information about how Cabinet Vision can specifically address the needs of your business, I encourage you to reach out to Smart Connected Solutions Southeast Asia's consultants. They are highly knowledgeable and experienced in implementing our solutions and can provide personalized guidance based on your requirements. Our consultants will be more than happy to discuss your business processes, understand your specific challenges, and offer tailored recommendations on how Cabinet Vision can streamline your operations, enhance productivity, and drive profitability. Once again, thank you for your time, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve you and help you achieve greater success in the woodworking industry with Cabinet Vision.